Your baby is adorable, but their snot is not. While they can blow snot bubbles, they can't blow their own nose until they're toddling towards potty training. Oh, and did we mention, babies don't breathe from their mouth for the first few months. So a stuffed nose equals major frustration. It's up to you to keep their nose clean and clear. But it's not easy with that outdated bulb syringe. They're invasive, but worse, they're near impossible to clean. So they're grimy, slimy, and downright disgusting inside. Invented by a Swedish pediatric ear, nose, and throat doctor, Nosefrida, the Snotsucker, is smart, safe, and hygienic snot sucking. First, soften those stubborn boogies with a natural saline mist. Then, simply place the tube to form a seal with the outside of baby's nose and suck away the snot. The sight of success is divine. Breathe easy. We know what you're thinking. Nosefrida's hygiene filter keeps the gross stuff out of your mouth and is clinically proven to prevent bacterial germs from traveling anywhere. Now, toss the filter and clean the boogies out with soap and water. Snap the pieces firmly back together, listen for the click, and you're ready for your next snot-sucking Call of Duty. No, not that call. We have another tool for that. You will do grosser things as a parent, so when they're stuffed up, it's time to buck up and suck the snot up with Nosefrida. Oh, and don't forget these. Stuffy nose? You've got this. Frida baby, the fuss stops here.